The itertools module in Python holds functions for creating iterators, enabling efficient looping. We have three important functions here. Count. In this loop, we start at 2 and move with a step of 2. When num becomes greater than 12, break out of the loop. Otherwise, it loops infinitely. Print each such number. So this prints the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Cycle. This continuously cycles over an iterable until we break out of the loop. We cycle on the list blue and green. When count is greater than 7, break out of the loop. Print each item and increment count by 1. So it goes blue, green and such until it has printed 8 times and count is now 8, so it breaks out. Repeat repeats one object infinitely until we choose to break out. So until count is greater than 5, keep repeating and printing 7. We can also make it repeat just 6 times by declaring so. Quarters. Write a function that displays amounts from $1 to $2. Let's import count from itertools. Quarters is a function. Evens is the counter starting at 0.25 and the step is 0.25. Using a throwaway variable, 8 times, call next on evens and turn all these numbers into a list and return that. Let's call this function and we have the values 0.25 to 2.0. Perms. Write a function that takes a word and a size and returns permutations of given size from the characters of the word. Let's import permutations from itertools. Call permutations on given word taking given size. Join these together, sort them alphabetically, then join these together with the new line character. So we get each n-sized permutation on a new line. We get 12 permutations of length 2 from the word hair. The string 123 gives us 6 items of size 2 and air gives us 6 items of size 3.